Dream to land on the moon or colonize Mars? Learn coding. This semester, Rashdul Bari is teaching C++ at City University of New York. Watch his lectures to achieve your dreams.
And then using namespace, std, int main. Okay, so we start the body. int
13, comma, 12,
Why?
comma. We're not doing another?
No.
Okay.
A, B, C.
Sorry. Okay. I just.
Enter parentheses, enter A.
And let's go over the test. First one is what? Converting decimal to the decimal to binary. What is it? 126, right? 126 to what? That's what we're gonna be writing. So let's start with 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, and then what?
2 over to 7.
This gives you a 32. This give us 64. This gives us 128. We probably don't need this. Do we need this? Probably we do. 128. Is this 128? Okay. So 128 is start 128. So we cannot start 128 is because this is bigger than this, right? So we're not gonna do that. You see where to stop, right? How to stop. Okay. All right. So 2 raised to 6 is 64. Is 64 bigger than 126? No. So then that's fine. So we're gonna write 1. So 126 minus 64 is, can someone tell me? 62. 32 minus 32. Can someone tell me? All right, this one is what? 16. So how much? 14. This one is 8. So how much? How much? This one is? How much? This one is? How much left? So we put 0. That's how I wanted you to do it. Some people wrote B, I know. Some people Google it and then that's how they got B. All right. This is how I wanted you to do that. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Number 1. Any question about number 1? Okay. Number 2. We're gonna do number 2. Number 2. You're gonna go backward. What is given? What is given? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Did I write it correctly? All right. So let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So you're gonna write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we're gonna, it doesn't matter which way we write. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. All right, so we're gonna add them. All right, 2 raised to 0 is what? 1. 1 times 1 is? 2 raised to 1 is? 2 times 1 is? What about this one? 4 times 0 is? 8 times 1 is? 16 times 0 is? 32 times 1 is? It doesn't matter. 64 times 0 is? And 128 times 0 is? All right. So let's go at them. We have 32, we have 8, we have 2, and we have 1. So what is it?
43.
43. All right. So yeah, I wanted you to show me the work, but some people did not show me the work. But some people wrote 43. Had no idea how did you get 43. But you know, I gave you the point. Yeah.
2 over 2 is 4, 0.
2 over 2 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0.
Oh, so, okay. So you get to ways of order.
Right. Yeah, when you multiply it by 0, yeah. Okay. Any question about number 2? You guys have any question about number 2? You good? Okay.
I know, I didn't write it down, wasn't sure, because I misread the question. Is it 5, the variable? Oh, sorry, sorry, no, never mind. Wrong question.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase it. All right, next question. Can someone read the next question? Question number 3, part 1. Yeah, go ahead.
Is Elizabeth II a valid or invalid identifier?
All right, what is it, Stephanie?
It's valid.
It's valid. Why it is valid?
Because there's no space between the statement between Elizabeth II.
No hyphen. No illegal special
Wait, so the
characters.
so the underscore doesn't count as a special character.
Underscore allowed. Underscore allowed. What is not allowed is number. What is not allowed is special character like a dollar sign. What is not count is hyphen, but underscore is allowed. Okay, so 3 is okay. It's a conceptual. Is you know it, you don't know it. It's like memorizing your name. If I ask your name, you either memorized your name and say your name, and you know,
So what do you
just
want?
don't know.
You want us to give us the definition of the word, or you want us to write?
Valid. It's valid.
So was it 5?
Number 3, all you need to write valid.
No, for number 4. Sorry, number 4.
Number 3, all you need to write valid. Oh, number 4, okay. Can you write number 4? Yeah.
Define the 3 methods of variables.
Uniform, right.
Uniform, copy, and direct.
Uniform, copy, and direct, right? Uniform, copy, and direct. All right. So yeah.
5, all of across.
What do you mean?
I'm trying to look at my.
She's looking at the examples you gave.
Yeah.
Oh, the example. I think I gave you the example like that.
Okay.
I think I gave you the example is like that.
Okay. I wasn't sure, so I didn't write anything.
And then this one I gave you that parenthesis. Yeah.
That doesn't define it. I need to see word. If I'm defining it, what is it in word?
Oh, okay. So the uniform, when you initialize the identifier, you can initialize it like that. We did it many times, and we're gonna do it today as well. When you initialize something, you can write x equal to 5. That's how you can initialize. Or you can initialize is x of 5. It doesn't have to be 5. Just don't write anything. It can be any number.
Okay, so that's
It doesn't. 5 is not special. Yeah, 5 is. Yeah, you can write anything. Number 5. What is concatenation? Anybody? Everyone got it right. Just adding up what? Strings. Adding up the strings. All right. So adding up the strings. So can you help me add a string? Count.
Hello.
Count. Hello. Thank you for. Thanks for returning our what? Thanks for returning. Returning what?
My sugar.
Exam 1.
Oh.
Exam 1. Thanks for returning exam 1, and thanks for adding extra 10 points.
Thank you.
And yeah. Okay. So that's yeah. That's number 5. You add strings, and this is an example. Or you can write thanks for carving it. Yeah. Okay. Because you're not gonna thank me, so I have to thank myself.
Thank you, Professor.
Oh, you're welcome. It's different time, so we have to thank ourselves sometimes. Okay, part two. Part two number one. Part two number one. Everyone had a problem. Everyone had a problem. No one. Dan Paul. Dan Paul. He got it right. And the other. Derek got it right. Derek got it right, but Derek put something else there. I had no idea what he put there. You got it right? Okay, okay, he got it right. So people who got it right, tell us the story. How did you get it right? Did it take you a long time to figure that out, that CS was variable? I assigned CS as variable. What did I assign CS?
Professor, Prof.
Prof. I assigned that as variable.
And quotations, yeah.
So, yeah, so how long it took you to realize that CS I assigned as variable? Like that, snap?
But we did it in class.
Oh, okay. Snap, Derek? How long?
That's like the schedule.
I know. You wrote something and cross it out.
Oh yeah, because my handwriting is fast.
Oh, okay. But how long it took you to, quick? Don Paul, how long it took you to figure that out? Quickly? But you took 2 hours to finish the test. Okay. But he was the only one who got 100. Okay. All right. Now is 110.
We write a body.
A body is, you don't have to change anything. All you need to do, remove the CS from the count. If you remove the quotation, then you'll be able to run it.
Oh, that's why you circle my quotation. Okay.
Yeah. So if you remove the string from CS, you should be able to run it. You don't have to touch any other thing from that code. Everything else is fine. Okay. So number what? What is the next one? Number 2. Temperature. Okay. Okay. So let's do the temperature. Number 2. Is it what are we doing? Temperature. Yeah.
Fahrenheit to Celsius.
Oh yeah. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay. So first, what are we gonna write?
Hashtag include IL stream.
Include.
Hashtag.
No, using namespace.
Namespace STE.
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Int main, open and close.
All right. Now is the fun part.
Float. Fahrenheit. Celsius. Sorry. That's why we messing up the little stuff.
Okay.
Count.
Count. And count. Wait, how you say that? Okay.
Enter what?
Enter Fahrenheit.
Enter. NL.
I think CIN.
Okay.
Same thing as Fahrenheit that you spell.
Okay. Now.
Celsius.
Okay. Celsius.
Celsius. Fahrenheit 27 times 32.
Fahrenheit minus.
32.
27 times,
Close
yeah.
it. Times 905.
The math. Oh, okay.
Semicolon.
9/5 or 5/9.
Alright. Count.
Count.
The sum of Fahrenheit.
Celsius is, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not what I did.
Celsius is.
Oh, Celsius is, yeah.
Celsius.
Fahrenheit.
Celsius.
Another, yeah.
NL.
Uh-huh.
Return 0.
Return 0.
And then closure. Semicolon closure.
Okay.
Close the body.
Alright, now if you want to take a picture, it's fine, and also I'm video recording it. I'm gonna send you the link. But if you want to take a picture, this is the code. Here, I saw some people forget semicolon, and I didn't really
That's
care.
why I said I do better at home because the things hard.
Yeah, but I knew that you are not using compiler, so small mistake, I let it go. A small mistake, I let it go. Number 3. Can I erase it?
Yes.
Calculator.
Okay, creating calculator. All right, number 3, creating calculator. So include IO, and then using namespace, std, int main. Okay, so we start the body.
INT
INT.
13, comma 12.
Why?
Comma. We're not doing another.
No.
Okay.
A, B, C.
Sorry.
Semicolon.
Okay. I
Insertion.
Count.
Enter, parentheses, enter A.
And enter A.
Uh-huh. CIN.
Sin.
A. I didn't mean to.
Count.
Enter B.
Enter B. Call B. Okay, I like that. Call B. All right, now C equal to.
A over B.
There is no division sign. Some people wrote division sign. I let it go. Okay, A.
What they wrote? What did some people write? Okay.
Now,
Count.
The sum of.
no, quotient.
A plus B. It doesn't matter what you write actually.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, what?
A quotient. Okay.
The sum of the
A quotient B.
C.
C.
With no quotations.
No quotation. No, quotation is here.
Yeah.
E and D and L. Return 0.
Yeah.
So it's a calculator. Basically, it's a calculator. Simple calculator. Not a scientific one. Okay. All right. Scientific one. We're gonna make it sooner or later. Mark you around for that. Okay. So you see me at the end. Okay. All right.
Just erase the ends down.
Oh yeah. Good. So what is that next one? Okay, next one. Some people thought this is scheduling. Not scheduling. This is hello world.
Hello world.
It's a hello world.
Yeah, simple.
Yeah, hello world. So instead of hello world, you write
Today is September.
today is okay. So count.
That was the easiest one.
Count. Instead of hello world, what are you gonna be writing?
Today, September 16th.
Today, September 16th, 2019.
Is CS172.
72.
Exam number 1.
Exam number 1
Close parentheses.
and L.
And return. Finish.
Okay, that's it. It's a hello world. And why I didn't give you hello world is because probably you memorize hello world at home. That's why. Okay.
That was the easiest one to memorize.
Right. Yeah. Is it 4 or 5? Was it 4 or 5? Oh, we're gonna do 5. Oh, I forgot. I erased the template. 5. Include. Okay, and then.
Missing the string.
Okay, good. I'm missing the string. You are good. So, what are you gonna write?
Include string.
Include. Good. Above, you can do below. It doesn't matter.
Oh, does it?
No. Using namespace. Std. Include.
String.
Include string. And then what? A string is inside, right?
Yes.
So you're gonna use the string as a variable. Int main. Start argument. So what are you gonna write now?
Const.
Huh?
Const string.
Count.
Const.
Construct. Construct is string. Date underscore 1 equal 10 9
10/9.
10/9.
Yes.
All right, what are we gonna do now?
Two more of those. Two more of those.
Construct string date
Date
2
10 14.
10 14. Constant is string date t 10
16.
16. All right, so what are we gonna do now? Count. Should we write count? What do we
No,
do?
we need more.
Const string, another one.
Good. That's right. That's most important one. That's more important one. Yeah. So const string. Give a name.
NC.
NC is good. NC is equal to what?
There is no C class.
There is no class on above 3 days. On okay. On
Yeah.
yeah. On above 3 days. Okay. And then what? Count. So print what?
NC.
NC
And then so space.
space
And then date 1.
date 1 and then
End that line.
LL. Well, okay, yeah. Sure. And L. Okay, and then count
NC.
NC
Space.
space date
2.
2
And line.
and L. Okay, and then return
0.
and then close. That gives you that. It doesn't have to be that nice. Some people wrote it in one line. I had no problem. Some people wrote all the statement like, no class on 10 9, 10 14, 10 16, and that's fine. Okay, all right, so add one more. Okay, so add extra 5 points, so 15 points. All right, so test 1, we are adding, so I said 10, right? All right, and instead of 10, write 15. 15.
Just make it 20.
15, okay. Well, I can do anything I want, right?
Subscribe to Bari Science Lab to fall in love with math and science, especially programming.